ఏమంటారు?
Again, all the time he likes to be on the behind the stage, but he needs to be here today. Ravi Puskur Garu, come on please onto the stage please. One of the founding members, Ravi Puskur. Ravi Puskur Garu, come on. Big applause for Venu Sankineri Garu please. Now this is definitely the co-founder teams who started long time ago at Pavin Mama's garage. I know Apple stories that Steve Jobs started his garage, but that's how he started in his basement. So it's been 2008, again since then, it's a successful team we have been running here. But on top of these founders, there's also many others who basically also added into this founding team and contributed to the success of Vana. Lakshmikant Gautineni Garu, can we have him on the stage please? Gautineni Garu please. And if you want to applause for Gautineni Garu, just stay from all the way from India. Can you please be on the stage with us please, Rahul Garu? Guys, sir, applause for Rahul, please, all the way from Atlanta. Come on. And wrong message పంపిస్తాం లీడర్స్ లా సపోర్ట్ ఎక్కువ లేదు అని కట్టుడు రాహుల్ భాయ్ మాట్లాడితే. Let's set the dance, sir. Venu Gagamari, we wish you on the stage, please. Venu Gagamari. Wherever you are, can you please join us? Can we have Manohar Rangineni, an active member from the day one, without active format? Keshav Garu, please. Guys, come on, a big round of applause, all the way from Iowa, India. Thank you, Keshav Garu. Alright, I think without any to open the speech again, a big round of applause for Venkat.
Welcome all to the Vana Dasara Deepavali event. A very happy Diwali in advance to all. Thank you for coming all the way. Most of the places, people can come from different places. I really appreciate it. We last 2008 we did the last event, so we're very happy to see you all after a long time. As you all know, Vana began in 2007 under the leadership of Praveen Anna and some Vana other members. Ever since Vana started, it is expanded to different states across the USA, like Virginia, North Carolina, Atlanta, Dallas, and California. The website thank you, Bharati, Venkat Todi, and Shrikant Pichara. There are like almost 300 registrations into the system. We
So now I call upon Venkat Ramadu garu. So chala treasurer job is very tough and I know pulling the accounts and having the sponsor.
And all this is possible because of the great story of Vana community sponsors who they support regularly taking calls. We get a lot of funds from them, so we are able to support them. And also apart from the student scholarship, we are also doing a partnership with even in event yesterday in Dallas. More OPT guests participated, and we are doing it all over US in the same way. The main goal is to get connected because we are only 2% of the whole in the community. So when we sit together, we are close related.
Let's go do it. So Praveen Makuru garu, we need your message. All the youngsters keep hearing from him, and I'm sure it's an inspiration. And then thank you, Baba.
Hello.
Can you all hear us? Can we request everyone to be a little quiet, please?
Hello. Good evening, everybody. Vana family members. Wish you a happy Diwali and many more. As a member of Vana team, we were started in 2008. I was one of the founding president for the last 10 years. And we went through a lot, up and downs, and we succeeded with all the help of the team members. And today we are grateful to a lot of people in India, with the poor families and scholarships. Most of the lot of families got into accidents and all those things. Especially Vana team is taking care of it. And wish you a very happy Diwali and enjoy the night. Thank you.
A big round of applause for Praveen Makuru garu. Come on, please. One more time. One more. Come on. From the people from the bar. Thank you. Let's go to our dynamic Janganeni, who helped us along with Kamal and few others to pick up the Vana movement and really getting a lot of energy into it. Raja, over to you. Thank you.
Thanks, Samubhati, and happy Diwali, happy Dasra to you all. I'll go Telugu for a second. Okay? Doral Dolsanalandar Bhavanara. Doral Dolsanalandar Bhavanara. Exactly, that's what we want to hear. So, thanks, Venkat Khanda, Venkat Ramadu, and Praveen Maknu for telling us how far we have come from 2008 and what programs we have done, how we have helped the students. And some of the programs that we have done, especially adaptation program, and of course DLK. He was the pillar behind the adaptation, running the scholarships. So big round of applause to Tantileni Lakshmikant. I still remember.
Oh my God, 25, 26, 30, emotional అయిపోతుంది కంపెనీస్ కాదు కదా 28 ఓకే ఒక 20
that is going to be Washington DC.
ఓకే వాషింగ్టన్ డీసీలో 27 వానా నేషనల్ ఈవెంట్
Big round of applause, guys. Come on. 5,000 మందికి తగ్గేదే లేదు మనమా. Thank you. I think let's take the pleasure to have our Vana Vice President Kamal Wala again. As I said, along with Tandrabhai and other real committed Virginia colleagues, really built a solid Vana chapter there. Kamal, over to you. Thank you.
Thank you. So thank you to everyone for coming here celebrating this event. Yeah. So first of all, I want to thank all the people who organized this. Muhammad Ali, Ramad, Mr. in Washington DC, and we started here in the US. It's great to see that there is a big impact in the US. We celebrated previously so all of the series that we are expanding, we want to bring, if you know anyone members that are not part of this organization, please welcome them.
but this is from New Jersey. New Jersey ladies. Okay.
వావ్ ఒక్కసారి నయమైతే మీరు బొంబాయి పోలేరు, లేకపోతే మా పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ మేము చూడకపోదాము. మంచిగా మా వాన ఈవెంట్కి వచ్చిండ్రు. రాను ఇస్ ద కరెక్ట్ వర్డ్. రాను బొంబాయికి రాను మంచిగా చేసిండ్రు కదా. అమేజింగ్.
Donors, irrespective of the situation, just a call away, making it on our event and our scholarship runs and all. These people are always there, again, many of you. But for this particular event, there are few very generous donors came forward so that we can confidently pull up this event so quickly. So we want to really felicitate these donors again. So can we?
Amanwala is here.
A big round of applause for Sampath Delakandi, please. Guys, come on. Little more.
Come on,
After food
guys.
and drinks.
So it's not easy. You should have a big heart, everyone. That
Round of applause for Ramakrishna Abhirali Garu. Thank you, sir. Thank you for joining us here. I'd like to request Kamal Wala to felicitate our dear Ramakrishna Garu, please. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your generous donation, and as well as again, it means a lot. All the support is really important for all Wana community here at home. A big round of applause for Ramakrishna Abhirali Garu, please. Ram Garu, you want to say a few words?
Long live Velma community. Always ready to support it.
amazing, and thank you so much.
Next event.
All the women, 1, 2, 3, make some noise! All right, so we're gonna start this off the right way. All the men, all the men. Keep those hands clapping. Clap, clap, clap those hands, everybody. Hey, 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 hey.
దొడ్డ బాట